Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 10:30 p.m. At 9:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Antioch to near Hebron, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, McHenry, Zion, Grave Lake, Round Lake, Antioch, Beach Park, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Park City, Wonder Lake, Gages Lake, Piscataqui Highlands, Venetian Village, Long Lake, Lindenhurst, Johnsburg, and Lake Newark, including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 12. This includes Chino Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Illinois Beach State Park, Moraine Hills State Park, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a special weather statement